Hi everyone! I've been really enjoying working with all of you, and I know in our last class we talked a bit about changing these links to be external links. So like my blog one, for instance, making that link so that it'll take you to another site. I told you that I would record a video, and that's what this video is. So I'm going to show you what the steps are to go through changing these links so that they don't just have to go to a Google page. When I'm on my site, you'll notice if I click my blog, it takes me to a site. I made a page initially, but I don't really need this page anymore because I actually have a blog now. So I'm at my Google site, and remember, if you need help getting there, you can click the waffle and then click Sites, and it'll take you to all of your sites pages. So I'm going to go over to the gear, and I'm going to choose Edit Site Layout. So it's down toward the bottom. Once I'm in Edit Site Layout, you'll see I have a lot of options for adding a footer, changing the sidebar, putting horizontal versus vertical navigation in, and you can do any of those things. But what I want to do is click over here, and you'll notice that it says sidebar, and you can edit the sidebar options here. But if you mouse over down below, navigation will pop up. Once you see the navigation, you want to click the word navigation, and you'll get this window here. You can change the title of navigation, so if you want to say links or stuff I did or something like that, you can change that, or you can get rid of the title altogether. But what we're trying to do is change that My Blog link to an external link. So I'm going to uncheck this automatically organize my navigation option. So then I'm going to click down below where it says Add Page, and I'm going to uncollapse this and go to My Blog because that's the one I want to change. I'll click OK, which will add it up here, and I'll click Add URL. So once I click Add URL, I'm going to go to my blog, copy the link to it, and I'm going to paste it in here. I still wanted to say my blog, so I'm going to type that here because this is the display text. This is what people are going to click to get to the site that I'm setting up here. And as most of you know, I always click open this link in a new window so that people can still be on my site but go to an external link, and it'll open that up in a new tab or a new window. You can see that's all set up. Once I've added my blog page here, I want to also add all the other pages that might not be showing up. When we uncheck this box up here that says automatically organize my navigation, we're telling our sites that we want to be the one to decide which pages are visible and which pages aren't visible. To add those pages, we go through the same workflow we just did for the blog. So you're going to click Add Page, uncollapse, and just select the pages that you want to show up here. You can see I've gone through all that, and all my pages are showing up. Once your pages are all there, you're going to click OK, and then go up to close. And then let's test it out. So if I go over here to my blog, it'll take me here. And you'll notice that it has two My Blog pages. I'm going to delete this one on mine. If that happens for you, just delete the one that you don't need anymore. And you can do that by going to the gear and then go to Delete Page. I'll click Delete, and it will get rid of that page. Please let me know what questions you have about this, or if you run into any issues. I know there are a couple people that were playing around with using Weebly. If you are using Weebly and you want to link to an outside blog, just either comment on the stream or send me an email, and I'd be glad to help you with that. Weebly works a little bit different, but it's not too hard. I hope this helped, and I hope that you are going to be ready to present your elevator pitch and turn in your work for your final project in 2 weeks. If you aren't, or if you have any questions that you need clarification on, please don't hesitate to let me know, and please make sure you enjoy your spring break. Bye.